everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a hot topic. Is barbecued meat cancerous? Let's find out the chances. You know that mouth-watering aroma of sizzling meat on the grill? It's hard to resist, but have you ever wondered about the health risks lurking behind those delicious barbecue parties? Well, stay tuned as we uncover the truth behind the link between barbecued meat and cancer. So, what's the deal with barbecued meat and cancer? It all boils down to chemistry. When meat meets high temperatures, like those of a grill or barbecue, chemical reactions occur, giving birth to two potentially harmful compounds: heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAH. HCAs, formed when amino acids and creatine react at high temperatures, are known troublemakers, increasing the risk of colorectal, pancreatic, and prostate cancers. Then there are PAHs, sneaky little guys produced when fat drips onto hot surfaces, leading to lung, skin, and gastrointestinal cancers. But fear not, barbecue lovers. There are ways to reduce the risks associated with indulging in your favorite grilled treats. First off, moderation is key. Enjoy your barbecues in moderation, and don't make it a daily habit. Secondly, marinate your meat. A splash of lemon juice or vinegar can work wonders in reducing HCA formation. Plus, certain herbs and spices like rosemary, thyme, and sage can provide an antioxidant boost. Thirdly, consider pre-cooking or partially cooking your meat before hitting the grill. This reduces cooking time and minimizes the formation of harmful compounds. Fourthly, avoid charring or burning your meat. Keep the flames low and flip those patties often to prevent excessive charring. And lastly, opt for leaner cuts of meat and trim excess fat to minimize PAH formation. The impact of barbecued meat on cancer risk is still under scrutiny, but by practicing moderation, marinating wisely, and following these precautions, you can still enjoy your barbecue favorites while keeping the risks at bay. Remember, a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, veggies, and whole grains is your best bet for overall health and well-being. That's a wrap for today's episode. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy grilling.